Hello. Today a really short video about the new tool. This tool is called Tldr, and I cannot explain better than what they have it here. Get email summaries in seconds. Um, it's really simple. Basically, you pick up email and you send it to this address. You have to have an account. In a few seconds, you receive the summary of that email. The best part that this is still many of it is still in beta, so this worked completely. I tried, it worked good. I'm really looking forward to this part. Scan through attachments to get deeper insights. I think if they still make it, I'm really looking forward to use it. I hope it starts soon. But yeah, you can go there. The link is gonna be on the video in the website. You can give it a try. It works. It gives the summary really good, and I'm looking forward to get